Amazon's health efforts are fairly new in the company's history, aided and abetted by their e-commerce dominance, growing retail footprint, and extraordinarily successful launch and scale of AWS, or Amazon Web Services. Amazon's foray into health is recent. The company started to tinker on a super secret health project, hiring veterans from health systems and health tech startups to begin mapping the strategy, and only recently have they started to make somewhat major moves in healthcare. A massive investment in Grail, the genomics company, who's going to rely on Amazon Web Services compute power to scale. And then just in the last year, they launched a medical supplies marketplace to serve hospitals directly for their procurement needs, an over-the-counter products offering to start going after wellness products. And then again, early last year, there was a major boom, shockwave through the industry, as Jeff Bezos, Warren Buffett of Berkshire Hathaway, and Jamie Dimon of JP Morgan announced a major health initiative, combining their 1.1 million employees from 3 companies and then the collective brain power of the world's leading investor, one of the world's largest financial institutions, and then, of course, Bezos, who seems to be building the company of all things. The mere mention of the ship sent pharmaceutical stocks careening southward as investors imagined the massive negotiating power promised by this new entity. But in reality, while there has been a leader named Atul Gawande, a doctor, writer, and thought leader, the actual executional details have not yet been revealed. What has been signaled is that it will build in the way Amazon builds many things, start small, focus on technology, systems, prove through a test and learn approach before expanding outwards. This announcement, though, signaled more activity within Amazon. On Alexa, they developed health skills or apps that enable interactions over health questions or issues through the Amazon Echo. They partnered with Deloitte to create a voice recording solution for doctors. And then another boom. $1 billion later, they acquired PillPack, pre-sorted medication delivered for free in nice little packaging, and they get access to the ability to deliver prescription medicine in almost all of the US states. They launched an exclusive brand of chronic disease devices with partner Arcadia, devices such as glucose meters. They launched Comprehend Medical through Amazon Web Services, a machine learning service that can extract information from unstructured EHR data and free text clinical notes. They creep us out a bit with the Alexa cough patent that could potentially allow the interface to surveil and detect when you're going to get your next flu. And they partnered with AARP to develop products for seniors, much like the great SNL skit of Amazon Silver. If you haven't seen it, it's quite fun. Each move points to a classic Amazon world domination strategy. Focus on efficiency, speeding and improving customer experience, and cutting the costs and time and burden out of the consumer's daily life. The business model in use are the many business models Amazon already dominates: e-commerce, marketplaces, subscription, pay-per-use, data as a service, and many more. Amazon is a business model combinator and dominator. Whatever they build, they will have a business model designed to combine with an existing model, which will be optimized to further create and capture value for Amazon. Those are the facts. Now let's move to speculation. The prediction for what this all means centers not on their e-commerce strategy, but on their eat your own dog food play in web services. Okay, eating your own dog food, gross. What does that mean? Amazon recognized in 2003 that their core strength was web infrastructure services, giving them huge advantage over other retail and online competitors. They had invested in a massive digital transformation themselves, from 1990s era programming to state-of-the-art tech infrastructure. The company had already started to provide tools to partner developers in the form of XML interfaces for the Amazon product catalog, so they were well positioned in 2004 to start offering their infrastructure services directly to those developers as a tool set. The message: we ate our own dog food, we're dominating our category, and now we're providing it to you. In 2018, they'll report an estimated $25 billion in revenues for the year for a market they created and lead, and which drives their profit. So when we look at Amazon's health strategy, remember the dog food analogy, and you'll see why speculation around the Amazon Berkshire JPM partnership looks so menacing to the more profitable parts of the industry, or middlemen that take too much share for not enough value. If the world's leader in fast, efficient, get it to you yesterday service starts to tackle the healthcare cost and experience of their collective employees, then they have a good shot at serving up some nice, delicious employee healthcare dog food and then offering it to the rest of us. That could make a big dent in the system.